Hello students, how are you? I think will be good health. Okay students, did you homework? Okay, good. I think you are do correctly. Okay students, today we are learn about lines and lines segment and rays. Okay, and how to draw a lines. Okay student, how to draw a line. Okay, turn on the page number, students, turn on the page number 64. Turn on the page number 64. Okay students, unit 4, geometry. Okay students, what is line? Which line is short? Which line is short? This or this? This line is short. Yes, this line is short. Okay students, what is line? Which line is long? This line is long. Okay students, a line can be long or short, and this line is flat, vertical, flat, slant and vertical. And how many directions? Many directions, but remains, these are the lines. Okay students, these are the lines. Okay students, what is the lines? A line can be long or short. A line can be flat. A line can be flat or slant or vertical. If a line is rotated in any direction, it remains to be a line. Okay students, so a line, long or short, vertical, flat, slant, or any directions. So any directions, it remains be a line. We get a line. Okay students, any directions, but we get the line. Okay students. Okay. For example, long, short, long, and flat, vertical, slant. So any directions we get the line. Okay students, can you understand the lines? Okay students, next we learn to line segment. Okay students, the line segments are name of both sides, both of its ends with capital letters. Okay students, with capital letters. For example, this is the line. Okay, this is the line. Okay, this starting point and ending points, name start and ending points. Okay, with capital letters. So A and B, we choose two capital letters, A and B. Okay students, A and B. Okay, this picture is denoted by line segment. This picture is denoted by line segment. Okay students, can you understand what is line segment? A line segments are name of both of its ends with capital letters, especially capital letters. Okay students, a line segment is denoted by AB closure. Okay students, AB closure. Okay, the line segment or name both of its ends with capital letter. A line segment is denoted by AB closure. Okay, students. Next, two lines. Okay, students, two lines. Two lines. Look at me. Two lines. Okay, I have two lines. Okay, first line's name is A. First line name is A. Okay, first line name is A. Second line name is B. Okay, second line's name is B. Okay, first we draw a pair. So this line is A and this line name is B. Okay, so this is called a parallel lines. This is called a parallel lines. Okay, students, this is a parallel line. So this is called a parallel lines. Okay, the lines that go on forever on either side without meeting. So this lines are without meeting. So first one, the second one is, so this is dependent. So next one is intersecting lines. Okay, student, intersecting lines. When two lines are intersect, so A and B are lines. We take lines A and B. Okay, first line is A, second line is B. So first line and second line. So B line intersect A. B line intersect A. So this line is called the intersecting lines. These lines are called the intersecting lines. Okay, students, can you understand the parallel lines? Can you understand the parallel lines and intersecting lines? These are parallel lines and these are intersecting lines. Okay, students, what is the rays? Okay, can you understand? Okay, students, next we see that rays. Okay, rays. Next, rays. Okay, students, what is the rays? Rays are one starting point and ending point with arrow. So this is called the rays. Okay, student, the fixed end point of a ray is a starting point. The fixed end point of a ray is called a starting point. So this fixed end point, so this is called a starting point. Okay, rays one side about one side. So we take a one fixture. So this is starting point. This is a starting point. This rays is one rays, two rays, three rays, four rays, five rays. So many rays we are draw a rays. Okay, students, we are many rays. நம்மால் நிறைய rays வந்து வரைய முடியும் ஒரு starting point வச்சு. Okay, students, can you understand? Okay, next. Okay, students, next, how to draw a line. How to draw a line segment. Okay, using ruler and compass. Okay, students. Example 4.1. Example 4.1. With the help of a ruler and compass. Okay, students, ruler, with the help of a ruler and compass. So we are take one scale, one pencil and compass. One scale, one pencil and we take a compass. Okay, students. Okay, first, what is given this example? Okay, draw a line segment. PQ equal to 5.5 centimeter. 5.5 centimeter. Okay. What is this? This scale is 50 centimeters. 50 centimeters. So, fifteen centimeters. So, okay students, take a scale 15 centimeter or 30 centimeters. Any scale we take it first drawing. Okay. First, how to measure the centimeter? How to measure the centimeter? These are 15 centimeters. So, can you look at me? Centimeter, student. Centimeter. So, this one 1 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 3 centimeter, 4 centimeter, 5 centimeter, 6 centimeter, 7 centimeter, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay students, 15. So, I have a 15 centimeters scale. Okay. Students, what is the line segment? Say, good. And name both of its ends with capital letters. Okay. What is given? What is given capital letters? PQ equal to BQ. Okay. BQ. Okay students. Next, scale is 5.5 centimeter. Okay students, 5.5 centimeter. Where is 5.5 centimeter in the scale? Where is 5.5 centimeter in the scale? Okay. 5 between 2. 5 to 2. Okay. 5 to 2. 6. So, we take 5.5 centimeter. So, this is 1, 1.5, 2, 2.5, 3, 3.5, 4, 4.5, 5, 5.5. Okay. Where is 5.5? This. So, we take first, this is 5.5 centimeter. Okay student, can you understand? Okay. First, we draw a line. First, we draw a line. Okay. First, we draw a line. Okay students, first we draw a line. Okay. First, we draw a line. Okay students. Next, measure 5.5 centimeter using compass. Okay, measure 5.5 centimeter using compass. First students, this both sides are equal. So this. Okay students, can you look at compass? So this and same. So feet. Okay. First, next we take 5.5 centimeter. So this is point 1. So we take 5.5 centimeter. Students, we take 5.5 centimeter and okay, first we mark at starting point. This is starting point. Mark at starting point. Starting point name is P. Okay, and start the draw. So first put a compass one side, next another sides. So just draw a arc. This arcs meet the lines. Arc meet the lines. This point is called Q. This point is called Q. So P Q equal to 5.5 centimeter. 5.5 centimeter. Okay students, can you understand? Can you understand? Okay student, can you understand how to draw a line? Good. Okay students? And put on the arrow both sides. Put on the arrow both sides. Okay students? Okay, good. Okay students, exercise 4.1. Turn on the page number 71. Okay students, exercise 4.1. Fourth problem. Construct the line segment using ruler and compass. Construct the line segment. Okay students, what is line segment? The line segments are end points. Its end point, its name, with name. Okay students, both end points with name. Okay. First problem, AB equal to 7.5 centimeter. 7.5 centimeter. Okay students, 7.5 centimeter. So I take a scale and 7.5 centimeter. Where is 7.5 centimeter? This is centimeter scale. Okay. Next 7.5. 1, 1.5, 2, 2.5, 3, 3.5, 4, 4.5, 5, 5.5, 6, 6.5, 7, 7.5. Okay. 7.5 centimeter is this. Okay. Next. Solution. Okay students, first we draw a line L. First we draw a line L. First we draw a line L. Okay. Okay. And this name is L. This name is L. This name is L. Okay. This name is L. And mark the starting point is here. Mark the start point here. Okay. AB equal to 7.5 centimeter. So where is 7.5 centimeter? This is 7.5 centimeter. So using compass, take 7.5 centimeter. 7.5 centimeter. So this one is 7.5 centimeter. Okay. This one is 7.5 centimeter. Okay. Put a starting point in compass one side and draw a arc. Draw a arc. Students, look at the draw. Okay. The arc meet the line. This is called B. This is called A. Starting point is A. Ending point is B. So a line segment name on both sides. So starting point and ending point name A and B with capital letters. Okay students. Okay, these are 7.5 centimeter. 7.5 centimeter. Okay students. Second and fourth problem homework. Second and fourth problem, second and third problem homework. Okay students? Okay. Can you understand? Students, can you understand? Okay, good. Next one, exercise 4.1. First problem, first one is fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. Okay students, a line through two endpoints A and B is denoted by a line two endpoints A and B is denoted by good A, B, starting and end points. Okay students, a line segment from point B to point A is denoted by good BA line, BA closure. Okay students, next one is a ray has dash endpoints. A ray has dash endpoints. A ray has only one endpoints. Only one endpoint. So this one is, this answer is 1. Okay students. Next question is, how many line segments are there in the given line? Name them. Okay students. How many line segments are there in the given line? What is given? 1. Okay. Look at the picture. Look at the line segment and how many line segments are here and write them. Okay. First one is, what is line segments? Line segments are both sides, endpoints and with name, with capital letters, especially capital letters. So this line segments are, this line segments, okay. P, point A, point B, point C, point Q. Okay students, point Q. Okay. How many line segments are there? First line segment is, students say count. First one is PA. First one is PA. First line segment. Second one is P. This one is, second one is this. Starting point is B, end point is B. So second one is B, P. Okay, P, B, closure. Third one is, starting point is B, ending point is C. So this line segment. So B, C, closure. Fourth one is, starting points. Students say the fourth one line segment. First one is first starting point, last end point is Q. So both end points with capital letters, with name, capital letters, especially capital letters P and Q. So PQ closure. Okay students. Fifth one is, what is fifth one? A, B. A is starting point, B is endpoint. So this line segment AB. Sixth one is A is starting point, C is end point. So A is closure. Seventh one is starting point is A, end point is Q. End point is Q. So AQ. Okay, student. Eighth one is, where is starting point? This. Okay, this is starting point we take. So end point is C. So BC. Closure. Ninth one is DQ. Starting point is P. End point is Q. So PQ. Closure. 10th one is starting point is C. End point is Q. So CQ. Closure. Okay, students. What is given? How many line segments are there in the given line? How many line segments? How many line segments? These are 10 line segments, and these are this line segment is part line, short line segments. Okay, students. Okay. Third one is measure the following line segment. Measure the following line segments. Okay, students. First we take a scale. Okay. And measure the line. This is 0. So okay, this is 1 centimeter, this is 2 centimeter, this is 0, 1, 2, this is 2.4, this is 2.5, but end is 2.4, so this is 2.4 centimeter. Okay, students, how to measure the line segment? First we take a scale and measure the scales. Starting point is A, ending point is B. So 1, 2, 3, 3.5, 3.5. Okay, good. 3.5 centimeter. Okay, students. Third one is E and F. E and F. This one 4, 4.1, 4.1, 2, 3, 4, 4.1, 4.2. So this one is 4.2 centimeter. Okay. Fourth one is PQ. PQ line segment is good. Okay, good. 3 centimeter. Okay. Fourth problems. Third and fourth. Second and third is homework. Okay, students. Fifth one. From the given figure, name the parallel lines and intersecting lines, points of intersection. Points of intersection. Okay, students. Okay, student. Fifth one is first subdivision, parallel lines. What is parallel lines? Good. Without touching the any line. Okay, students. Where is parallel lines? C and D. CD lines and E, F are without touch the lines. So CD and EF, CD and EF, CD and EF. Okay, next CD and JI, CD and IJ, CD and IJ. Okay, next CD and GHR without touching. So CD and GH, CD and GH. Okay, next one is EF and IJ, EF and IJ are without touching the line, EF and IJ. And EF and GH, EF and GH. Okay students, first parallel lines, this one and this one, next this one, so this one and this line. So okay, can you understand the parallel lines? How to find the parallel lines? Parallel lines are without touching the any line. Okay students, second one is intersecting lines. What is intersecting lines? Intersecting lines are intersect the any line. Okay, first one is AB line intersect by CD. So AB and CD, this line intersects CD, so CD. So AB and CD. Next one is AB and EF, AB and EF, AB and EF. Third one, AB and GH, AB and IJ, AB and IJ, AB and IJ. Okay students, third one, points of intersection. What is where is points of intersection? This is points of intersection. This one is points of intersection. And third one is this. So third one is PQR. Okay students, can you understand? Okay student, last one example, last one problem is homework. Sixth one is homework. Okay students, objective type questions are homework. Okay students, we are meet the next class. Okay, bye.